Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation 5 error code CE-107938-8. Failed to update the application. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So this error code could also be accompanied by a message that says something went wrong. Now the first thing you want to simply do is press the PlayStation button, then go on down to power and restart your PlayStation 5, close all games and apps, and restart your PS5. Simple enough. Then go to the application and press options on it and go to check for update. Maybe there's a secret update for the game and you just simply have to go to here and force an update. Now it says I currently have the latest version of this game installed. Also, you could try deleting the game and then getting it back onto your PlayStation 5. So if I go to delete, then I would have to go over to the game library, then go up to your collection, go to the game under here, and simply just re-download it again. This will force the update. Then also make sure you have the latest version of the system software on your PlayStation 5. So if I go up to settings and select this, go on down to system, then go to system software, and go to system software updates and settings. Then go to update system software. It looks like my system is up to date. We can go to update using internet if we don't have the latest version. Now, if none of that worked for you, press the PlayStation button and go to power and go to turn off PS5. We're going to start our PlayStation 5 in the safe mode menu now. So with your PlayStation 5 now completely turned off, there's no light or orange light right here. Turn the PlayStation 5 around, just like this, and unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and then plug it back in. Then turn it around and locate the power button right here, and hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear another beep like 10 seconds later. Then go ahead and let go. Now to operate the safe mode menu, you will need to plug in your controller with a USB cable. So take a USB cable and plug in your controller and then press the PlayStation button and use the D-pad to navigate the different menus. So let's press the PlayStation button and then go on down to option number 3, System Software Update. You can try getting a new fresh copy of the latest system software by going to option number 2 using the internet. Now this will download a fresh copy and you should be good to go for this. Once you have a new copy of this, you can go to option number 5, Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Just try rebuilding the database on your PlayStation 5 and seeing if this works. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.